Hey everyone, Lee here, Okanagan Sawmill. So on the mill we have a piece of elm. So we've got, it's about 11.5 foot long, and then at this end it's a bit squished, so we got a bit of an oval. So it's actually 27 inches across and it's about 21 inches high. So it actually works out, it's going to work out quite nice. We'll get some nice wide slabs, or reasonably wide slabs. And then at this end we've got a bit of a fork here, so obviously going to get plenty of crotch figure and everything going on there. And then we've got an old limb on here, so we're going to have a whole bunch of sort of figure going on there, I would expect. So yeah, it's pretty dirty and rough looking, so I'm just going to give it a quick brush off, I think, just to try and get the worst of the dirt off. And I'm going to take one cut, get a nice flat on it, good solid flat, turn it over, and then just get as many as I can. I'm probably going to get 6 slabs is what I'm hoping for. So if I get 6 slabs out of it, that'll be nice. That'll be good size slabs, and they'll be perfect for like epoxy river tables or whatever. So you'll be able to book match them, especially if I get 6. We'll have 3 sets, which will be nice. So all right, let's get you set up and let's get the mill going, eh? Okay, well, we got a good flat on here, that's really good, and we got some nice looking grain coming on. So obviously this is all starting here to go for the crotch, but that looks pretty nice indeed. I like it. So you can see where the bark was, so there's no bark here, and then the bark sort of gets pulled through. You get that staining from the bark, and then it drops off right there. So, but no, that grain looks very nice. I think they're going to be nice slabs. Okay, that's good. So let's get this flipped over, and then let's see if we can get 6 slabs out of it. I think we should be able to. So let's just actually, let's grab the tape measure a second. Let's just have a look how wide the first slabs were. So at this end we've got 18 inches. So we've got 18 inches. Then in the middle it's sort of dog legs, but it's probably pretty, so we got like 15 inches, 15.5 inches there. And then if we count this piece here, we got 23 inches. So pretty good, that's nice. So yeah, let's get that rolled over. Okay, well, there's the other cleanup cut. So I've just noticed there's a split down here, and that's following down there, but that is looking good. I'm really liking grain going every which way, and yeah, that's looking nice. Well, just for a couple of cleanup cuts, it's, yeah, very pleased. Crotch is starting to come in there. All right, let's get this cut up. Okay, so that's all cut. That's really good. Everything went well, as it should. So yeah, so let's get these split and stacked, and we'll do a couple of water pops and see what we got in the middle of it all, because I think it's going to be nice. Okay, well this is looking very nice. So lots of colour, lots going on. Assuming a couple of old smaller limbs at one point that have broken off. Also got sort of like another crotch figure going on here. And just overall, yeah, really nice colour. Perfect. All right, let's keep stacking. Okay, so we got, on this one we got like a bit of a void in here, crack going through, another bit of void in there that looks like an old limb. This also here on this has got a little bit of bark inclusion, but still looking very nice though. Okay, let's have a look at this one. But still a bit of crack in there, but definitely less. Still getting some of that crotch figure there. And then got that little bit there, but that looks good. Crotch figure from here is gone basically. But it's still got plenty of grain and character. It's looking nice. I actually really like that slab. That's a really nice slab. Okay, let's get this last one stacked. Okay, so that's all stacked and stickered. So we got 6 slabs in total, 2.5 inches thick, 11.5 foot long, and between 24 and 30 inches wide. So yeah, it worked out really well. Very pleased with that. Very nice. What I was going to do, this wasn't actually on the schedule for today. I was actually going to go mill this acacia log. But when I picked it up, a whole bunch of wasps come swarming out, and they were all angry and upset with me. So I've just dumped it over here. They actually built a nest down in there. I sprayed some wasp killer, so we'll see what happens. So, but I want to get this on the mill. That'll happen tomorrow. I want to get that on the mill, and that's also the reason why I actually stacked this elm log that I just cut today on some 4x4s on this pallet, because I want to sit that log on the pallet first, because that's 14 foot long, and then I'll sit this elm on top of that acacia. So this just makes it easier to pick up. All right, well, yeah, that worked really well. No nails on this log, so that was a nice change. Lately I seem to have had a lot of logs with nails in giving me a bit of grief, but you know what, that's all part and parcel of it, so it's okay. All right, yeah, like, I think that's it for today. Actually, yeah, that's it. As always, really appreciate everybody watching. Thanks again. Thanks to any subscribers that I keep getting. Really appreciate it. Thanks a lot. And yeah, we'll catch you on the next one.